Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the calendar on your Airtable Workspace. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our Airtable Workspace, and after opening the workspace, you will be able to see the calendar option here. So we have to click on this plus icon. As you can see, let's click on the plus icon, and you'll be able to see some options here. If you want to change your name, you can also do that. As you can see, the calendar is written I want as it is. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the calendar is created. As you can see, create a new field. If you want to create a new field, you can also do that. Let's cut this option. I'm going to cut this. As you can see, if you want to cancel this, you can also do that. And as you can see, now I'm going to click on the undo, and the calendar option will be again here. So as you can see, now choose a field, create a new data field. For example, I'm going to add the start date. So we have to provide the start date, and here you have to provide the timing. For example, include time. If you want to add the time, you can also do that. I'm gonna disable this, and let's click on the create a bold, and let's click on the 10. So as you can see, now the calendar is created. So in this way you can create a calendar on your Airtable workspace. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.